implement a pause and play button while downloading the URLs on our WAT application. So I'm going to start the app up. So if we, in our WAT application, when we give a URL, a link, a file of URLs, we want to be able to download them, and that's going to spawn it's going to call wget through a Python process and create our WAT files. The previous implementation was once you click download, the process would run. So if you're downloading, and there was no way to stop it unless it finished or there was an error. So if, let's say, you were downloading 1,000 URLs and you had to, close your laptop or you got off the Wi-Fi, there was no way to pause the download application. So we implemented a pause and play button that will pause and play the download process. So I'm going to start downloading, and we get this button right here. So I'm going to pause it, and it'll pretty much just hang there on the front end until we select resume. So what happens is we spawn a Python process and we send pretty much a signal to it to pause. So if I hit play, it's going to continue downloading WAT files as they come in. And we should be done with this shortly. So yeah, we finished all 6, and we still get our files that we needed. So going through the code real quick, most of the code was on the Electron side. There was really no change to the Python code for this story. The main thing we had to add in here was we added a div in the download area, and we would build the button dynamically once the download process began. So if I can pull up the WAT application, so we kind of put a div around here to add the pause and play button. So that was just done in the HTML with my add, and in the JavaScript. So once we have this event that we handle through a socket, download output. So once we get this event, if we have URLs that are found, then that means the download process is beginning. So that's when we kind of want to create the pause button. So we create the element, we set whatever styles and attributes, and we give it a little icon, which is that little font awesome pause and play button, and then we want to add an event listener. In the event listener, pretty much what it does is it sends to the main process, which communicates with the Python process, an event, which is the pause event, or the event, which is a play event, and that just goes and we also have to switch the icon. So we want to be able to switch it from pause and play, and then change the functionality while we do that. So then in main, we grab those 2 events, and if we have pause, we want to send a sig stop, and if we have play, we want to send a sig continue. And that's going to happen for a downloader, which is kind of the object that's handling the Python process. And that's pretty much all the code changes that was needed for this story. Thank you.